Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to put an image onto a panel. So let's start by creating a new project. And let's name this image. Okay, hit create. Okay. Now inside our source folder, we're going to create a package. Do new package. Let's name this com.company. Hit enter. Now inside our package, we're going to create two Java classes. So let's right click, new Java class. In this main, hit enter, and let's right click, new Java class. Let's name this panel, hit enter. Okay. Now inside our main class, we are going to put in two imports up here. So we're going to do import java x.swing.star, and we're going to do import java.awt.star. Okay. Now inside of our main class, we're going to put in our main method. So let's do public static void main string args. Okay. Now inside here, let's create our JFrame. So let's do JFrame frame equals new JFrame. Now for our title, I'm going to put in image for now. Okay. Now let's set the size of our frame. So let's do frame.set size. I'm going to put in 600, 600. Okay. Now let's set the location of our frame. So let's do frame.set location. Do 0, 0. Okay. Now let's set the closing operation for our frame. So let's do frame.set close operation here. Let's do JFrame.exit on close. Okay. Now let's set the content pane of our frame. So frame.set content pane. Do new panel. Okay. Now finally, let's set the visibility of our frame to true. So frame.set visible true. Okay. Now let's move on into our panel class. So in here, we're going to put in the same import. So let's do import java x.swing.star. And I'm going to put in import java.awt.star. Okay. Now inside public class panel, I'm going to do extends JPanel. Okay. Now inside of our class, we're going to put in public void paint component. Okay. Now inside of parentheses, we're going to put in graphics G. Okay. Now I'm going to put in here image icon, and let's name this image equals new image icon. Now inside these parentheses, we are going to put the file name of our image. So let's go into our file explorer here in our downloads folder. Now inside here, we have my PNG file for the image. Now what you want to do is you're going to right click and copy this, close out of this, and up here you're going to right click and hit paste, and OK. Now our image is pasted inside of our project. Now I can click this, and my image here is a drone. So let's go back into our panel class, and let's put in drone.png, because that is our file name here, drone.png. Okay, now close that off. Now let's draw our image. So let's do g.draw image. Then let's do image.get image. And we're using image because we named our object image. Okay. Then we're going to do comma, and then we're going to put in our x and y. So we're going to put in 300 by 300. Okay, now for our dimensions. So for this particular image, it's going to be 44, comma 24. Okay, now we're going to do comma and then null. Okay, let's close this off. Okay, now let's run our project. So go back to your main class and hit this run button over here. Now, as you can see, our image is printed over here. So you can always scale up your image, but I made it small this time. So our image is right here. Okay. Thank you for watching.